to enable or disable Samsung keyboard read related characters allowed on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, scroll down and click on Samsung keyboard settings. After click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and click on swipe touch and feedback. After click on swipe touch and feedback, so click on now here click on speak keyboard input allowed. So after click on this option, so you will see read deleted characters allowed is there. So if you want to disable read deleted characters allowed, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see read deleted characters allowed is disabled. So if you want to enable read deleted characters allowed, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see read deleted characters allowed is enabled. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable Samsung keyboard read deleted characters allowed on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.